Good morning, all you cool cats and kittens. Mr. C here. We really need a better name for these episodes here. So if you could comment with what we think we should call these conversations we have here, that'd be great. Also, don't forget to hit the bell and like. Give me a thumbs up. Today, April 10th, a couple of things we need to pay attention to. First, the discussion over forms of energy is due today, as is the forms of energy keynotes. You see on the calendar right there, due today. Try to get those in at your earliest convenience, please. In class today, you'll see here Bill Nye. Some of you will be excited, some of you maybe not so much. But it is over heat, so a lot of this will be familiar because we have talked about heat before, but we want to just kind of reemphasize all the different forms of energy. If you follow the link, it does give you a link to the video. Also, it gives you a link to a worksheet that you're going to fill out as you watch it. Make sure you share and submit a link to the worksheet, please and thank you. It is Friday, so I have added another edition of the Friday Favorites. Check it out. Post your reply. Comments and liking are also acceptable there. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to enter the chat room, and I'll try to get to them as quickly as possible. And you can always email if that's your preferred method of contact. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. It's a little cold out there. I see there's snow in the forecast for next week. What's that about? Anyway, we'll talk to you later. Bye now.